Hello everyone. So yeah, my name is Julien Laffont. I in charge of the business development and the strategy for Naio Technologies. I worked there for 9 years more or less. So for those of you who don't know Naio Technologies, it's a few numbers. So the company has been created in 2011. We are based in Toulouse, so south of France, close to the Spanish border. We also have a subsidiary in Salinas in California. We have a range of 4 robots. I will detail those robots a bit later. And so 70 people are working in the company, and now we have 422 robots in the fields around the world, which makes the largest fleet of autonomous robots in the world currently. Those robots are spread in 18 different countries, and we have for that 36 expert dealers in order to sell and operate those robots. So our robots are mainly used to face most of the growers' challenge. Those challenges are exactly the same in most of the countries in the world. So the first one is, of course, the labor shortage and the cost of labor. Then the increase of the yields. Farmers always need to increase their yields. The regulatory pressure with more and more herbicides and pesticides that are banned in the US, but also in Europe. And also the short weather windows. So how do our robots help to face those challenges? First of all, they are all autonomous, so thanks to that you can basically have more time and dedicate this time to other valuable tasks. Then the precision of those robots, they all use RTK GPS, so we have a precision of less than one inch, will enable to increase the yields. And then all our robots are sustainable, so they are 100% electric. So they also help to reduce the use of herbicides by enabling farmers to be more and more efficient in their mechanical weeding. And they are very light compared to tractors, so it will reduce the soil compaction, but it will also help growers going in the fields up to 3 days before tractor after a big rainfall. So those robots, I will go a bit more in details in this range of robots. Just for you to know, consider that those 4 robots are basically tool carriers. We are focusing really on the platform, and then we partner with companies that are already doing a very good job in developing the tools and the implements in order to enable the farmers to use the robot for whatever they want. So it can be seeding, it can be spraying, it can be mowing, but actually most of the robots are used mainly for mechanical weeding. It's the task where there is the biggest value. So to go more in details, we have 2 robots for vegetable and row crops. So a small one called Oz that we will be demoing this afternoon from 1:30 p.m. So dedicated really to market gardeners, but also to seed companies in their experimental stations. And we have also a lot of universities that are interested by this robot. Then we have Oreo. Oreo is a bit bigger. It straddles a bed of vegetables. And then we have the 2 robots that we use mainly for vineyards and specialty crops, so Ted and Joe. Ted goes over the vine, and Joe is a crawler that goes in between. So we are, as I said before, represented by 36 dealers around the world, mainly in Europe and North America, also in South Africa. Here in North Dakota, we are represented by Edney Distributing. But we are also looking for dealers, especially in the West Coast and the southeast of the US. So if you are interested, feel free, of course, to come and talk to me. We are also able to work directly with key account, even if we don't have dealers in certain areas. So yeah, if you are interested by any of those possibilities, do not hesitate to come and speak with me or to attend to the demos that we'll have this afternoon on the demonstration ground. Thank you for your time.